Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact reason for suspension inside Policy Center. Read the wording word for word so you know what to fix. Once done, export account history and collect all affected campaign ID, ad creatives, landing pages, and timestamps. Also assemble business verification documents like government ID, 1099, invoices, and screenshots that prove ownership and compliance. These materials are what you will reference in your appeal, so organize them in a single folder for quick action. Next, you must eliminate the underlying causes. Remove offending ads and keywords, fix landing pages, no misleading claims, no cloaked redirects, and accurate billing information. Make systematic edits and then test every page and add to confirm the problem is resolved. While you work, log each correction with dated before and after screenshots and short notes explaining the fix. This evidence shows Google you addressed root causes, not just aesthetic tweaks, and it strengthens the appeal you will submit. Finally, prepare a concise appeal explaining what you changed, why the prior issue happened, and include dated screenshots and business documents. Submit it through the Policy Center appeal form and immediately open a support chat or phone case to get a ticket number. That speeds review. Make sure to monitor email and the account regularly and respond quickly to any support requests. If the appeal is denied, ask specifically for a human review and supply any additional documentation they request as the single best troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.